Hi, I'm Drew from BMNT, and this is a quick intro to our Discovery Workshop. The purpose of the Discovery Workshop is to take a really difficult problem, design a solution, and then immediately de-risk the solution by building a minimum viable product, and to do it all in 4 days. By getting all the key players together in one room, you can fast forward through months of meetings, conference calls, and email back and forth. Each Discovery Workshop starts with a big problem to solve, a team of about 8 people, and most importantly, a problem owner to make key decisions throughout the process. On day 1, you'll create a map of the problem and plan your attack around a specific target. On day 2, you'll design solutions to the problem, but instead of creativity by committee, you'll work alone to sketch competing solutions. On day 3, you'll walk through a structured decision-making process to pick the best solutions with buy-in from the problem owner. But before you fall in love with the solution, you'll take a critical eye and identify the riskiest assumptions in the solution. Finally, on day 4, you'll take the riskiest assumptions and build 1 or 2 minimum viable products to test those assumptions and find out if your solution holds up. Some solutions will work, but some won't. Either way, you'll have clarity about what to do next and a great start to tackling that big problem. To learn more about the Discovery Workshop, go to bmnt.com, and thanks for watching.